One more vote appeal. This is for somebody I really respect. I know I nominated her, but something about this girl I really love, and I am, putting this vote appeal out only for you, Ritu. Guys, Demon Pawan has been a strong player, and yes, this bond, Ritu and Demon, has also carried the season so well, and I really want you guys to go ahead and vote for Demon. Ritu, this is especially for you. You've been such a sweetheart, and I think you deserve all the goodness, and I want to support whoever you support. And yes, Demon does deserve it. He's been a very a strong player with a soft side, and that also makes him truly incredible. So guys, please go vote for Demon Pawan. Shrija, this is also for you. And I have posted this yesterday.